morning, kids. I would now like to tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was 5 students. They had a mission in Viborg. They had to help Viborg HK with their marketing. The 5 students decided that they wanted to hold an event to all the VIP members in Viborg HK. Their mission was to sell keys and raise money for the children at Viborg Hospital.
These are the 5 students. This is Milda, this is Per, this is Heidi, this is Klaus, and this is Christopher. And this key is one of the 110 keys we had to sell.
It all started with the 5 students had invited a lot of different companies to see the new conference room at Viborg Lounge. The guests were greeted by the 5 students and the director and sales manager of Viborg HK in the lobby of Viborg Lounge. Everyone was very happy and excited about the event. They have been looking forward to it for a very long time. The guests were seated in the big VIP room where Klaus greeted them and told them how happy we were to see them. Later, the director and sales manager of Viborg HK talked about Viborg Lounge, and all of the guests saw the new conference room and the BO Lounge. Later on, all the VIP members of Viborg HK arrived and ate a lot of delicious food. Meanwhile, the sales manager and Klaus talked about our key lottery with all the beautiful prizes. The invited guests and the VIP members were all very happy, and they bought all of the 110 keys. The 5 students had collected 5,310 Danish kroner from the key lottery for the children at Viborg Hospital.
When the keys were sold out, the participants tried the keys in the cabinet to see if they had won some of the lovely prizes.
Some were glad because they have won, and some were very sad because they didn't win anything. But the entire event was very successful, and the day went very well. The students interviewed some of the invited guests to hear what they thought about the event. A few days later, the students and a handball player from Viborg HK gave the collected money to the head nurse and doctor at Viborg Hospital. They were very happy to receive the money and they couldn't stop smiling. They all lived happily ever after. The end.
1, 2, 1, 2, everybody let's go! Går i skaven og laksko og i pressefoldet gejl. VHK klistret på min mave.